How small businesses can ride the Pinterest wave. Pinterest has emerged as a powerhouse for businesses looking to tap into the visual interests of their audience. With over 400 million monthly active users, Pinterest is not just a social platform, it's a search engine for inspiration and ideas. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore how small businesses can ride the Pinterest wave to enhance their online presence, connect with their audience, and drive meaningful results. Why Pinterest matters for small businesses. Before delving into strategies, let's understand why Pinterest is a game changer for small businesses. Pinterest isn't just about sharing pretty pictures. It's a platform where users actively seek inspiration, discover new products, and plan for future purchases. Small businesses can leverage this intent-driven user behavior to their advantage. The Pinterest advantage for small businesses. Pinterest offers small businesses a unique opportunity to connect with a vast and engaged audience. By understanding the platform's dynamics, optimizing your profile and content, staying attuned to trends, and leveraging analytics, your business can ride the Pinterest wave to new heights. Creating engaging content, the heart of Pinterest marketing. Designing eye-catching pins. Pinterest is a visual platform, and the quality of your pins matters. Design visually appealing and informative pins that stand out in the feed. Experiment with different formats, colors, and styles to see what resonates best with your audience. Curating a mix of content. Diversify your content to keep your audience engaged. Pin not only your products or services, but also industry-related content, tips, and inspiration. Become a valuable resource within your niche. Staying relevant, trends and timely content. Riding the trends. Pinterest users are always on the lookout for the latest trends. Stay current by regularly checking Pinterest's Trend Hub.